bike. No, we got the paint. I'm gonna test it out with spray painting it first, like how I used to. See if it comes out more, what do you call it? See if it comes out more, because this is satin, I want gloss. So we got gloss this. I looked it up, hopefully it works. We're gonna try it in here, hopefully not make a mess. But so this is a new setup. So basically it. I'm gonna set this bitch up. Alright, so I got a little bit messed up. There must have been something on there. I have to sand after I'm done piling. I want to show y'all close. I'm gonna make sure you're a little bit far, just a little bit, so it doesn't clump up. Like, see how it got all that shit right here and right there? Yeah, that's not what we want. So. Alright, 2 coats of primer is what we want. Okay, so the primer is dried for probably 10 to 15 minutes. About to start applying the rose gold, so let's get to it. Super light, you can still see the gray a little bit. That's what we want. We want it to stick good, and then we will wait a couple minutes and then start second coat. Alright, let's start applying the second coat. I'm gonna go take a break for a second. Okay, second coat of paint is a little bit thicker. Alright, so got 3, might have put 4 coats of the rose gold paint, plain the actual paint that I want. 4 coats, light coats, so it doesn't come out blobby. Like it did a little bit right there. I tried sanding it, but I don't know, it's gonna look fine with that, and I'm gonna get a tank cover to throw it off, so I just want this done. But now I'm adding the clear coat. Just go slowly, line by line. When I do the next one, I'm doing 2 or 3 coats of clear coat, probably 3, but I'm going like slow, you know what I mean? Just around the whole thing up here. Just to make sure it's clear everywhere and it's evenly distributed. But yeah, today we're putting the tank on. Looks good with the clear coat. Looks real good with the clear coat. The gloss clear coat looks way better than the satin. So got the tank on. What it's looking like. The lighting ain't the best, but turned out good. There's a couple spots I need to fix up, like right here, right here, right here. Little scratch. I gotta figure that out too, but not that worried about it. Yeah, so kind of what finished product. Just imagine. Yeah, walk around, but oh yeah, just next video is gonna be me probably painting the fairings or adding some other shit on the bike, like the tail light or the gas tank cap. Easy stuff.